Hi guys, welcome to my channel. This is Nutritionist Shivangi Garg. Today we are going to make Kadai Paneer with very simple ingredients available in our homes. So come, let's see the list of ingredients. Now we'll mix all these ingredients together to make kadai masala and roast it for 2 to 3 minutes. Keep the gas on low flame when you are roasting for the masala. Let this masala cool down and then we'll blend it. Come, till then let's make a tomato puree. I'll be making homemade tomato puree. If you do not have time, you can also go for Tetra Pak purees we get in the market. Since I want to make this kadai paneer good in nutrition, I will not add Tetra Pak tomato puree because it contains a lot of trans fats and too much salt, so I will avoid it. Boil the tomatoes on medium flame for about 10 to 12 minutes. You will see the tomatoes getting soggy and the skin of tomatoes coming out. That means they are done. Now very carefully take them out in a bowl and cool them for about 15 to 20 minutes. So till the time our tomatoes are getting cooled down, let's blend our masala which we already made. Now our tomatoes are also cooled down. Let's peel the skin and blend them. All the preparations are done, so come guys, let's make the gravy. We'll add oil and some butter because butter gives a really nice flavor. You must be thinking, why am I adding oil if I'm adding butter? The reason is, if we add only butter, no oil, then butter might get burnt later and it will not give that flavor which it should give. Now let's add garlic and saute for about 2 to 3 seconds. Cook the onions till they are transparent. You do not have to make them brown. And keep your gas on medium flame. We'll add capsicum and saute the capsicum for about 2 to 3 minutes. You will see it getting brown. Add tomato puree, give one boil, then add kitchen king masala and our kadai masala that we made and let it cook on low sim for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add some water, give a boil and add paneer. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Our delicious kadai paneer is ready. You can eat with chapatis, parathas or anything you like. Do try it. It is a very simple recipe. If you like my recipe, please like, share and subscribe my channel for more recipes.